So one topic that most of you might have heard about, but you don't know anything about is non-fungible tokens. And these things are basically pieces of JPEG images that can be traded and that are unique and can be owned and traced who the owner is by a particular code. Most of them are done with Ethereum, which is a now proof of a stake consensus that is programmable. And again, non-fungible tokens are a big deal right now. They've sold for millions of dollars in auctions, and many of them continue to trade every single day, despite of the fact that Ethereum gas fees have gone up over time. Again, it's called non-fungible tokens, NFTs, because technically there's no other like it. There's nothing like it, and they are owned by many celebrities, including 50 Cent, Justin Bieber, and many NBA players. So to learn more about non-fungible tokens, stay here, subscribe, and share with the rest of the public. We're going to be talking more about that and how you can make a lot of money with non-fungible tokens.